Are you ready to take your adventure to the next level? Look no further than Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits. These kits are designed to enhance the performance and capabilities of your Yamaha Ténéré, ensuring that every journey is filled with excitement and thrill. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the features and advantages of Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits, helping you understand why they're a must-have for any avid adventurer. Unleashing the power of the standout features of Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits is their ability to unleash the true power of your motorcycle. Whether you're tackling rugged terrain or cruising on the highway, these kits are engineered to optimize performance, providing you with the confidence to conquer any obstacle in your path and enhance durability. Adventure can be unpredictable, but with Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits, you can ride with peace of mind knowing that your motorcycle is equipped to handle the toughest challenges. These kits feature rugged construction and premium materials, ensuring long-lasting durability even in the harshest conditions. Customized performance. No two adventurers are alike, which is why Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits offer a range of customization options to suit your individual riding style and preferences. Whether you're seeking improved handling, increased comfort, or enhanced aesthetics, these kits allow you to tailor your motorcycle to meet your specific needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits are the ultimate solution for adventurers seeking to elevate their riding experience. With their unrivaled performance, durability, and customization options, these kits enable you to unleash the full potential of your Yamaha Ténéré and embark on unforgettable journeys with confidence and excitement. So why settle for an ordinary adventure when you can experience the extraordinary with Yamaha GYTR Ténéré Kits? Upgrade your ride today and discover a new world of possibilities on the open road. Adventure awaits. Are you ready to seize it?